Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome to my channel. Today I will show you step by step on how to create this music social media post in Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I would like to thank all who are still supporting my channel. Now if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos for more tutorials and designing tips. Now let us get started. First go to Files, then create a new Files with these dimensions. Then fill a new solid color, choose black. Then type a text as follows. You may use your favorite font, but here myself I'm using Aqua and Calm. Expand appearance of your text. If you finished, go to ellipse and draw an ellipse. Fill your favorite color, but here I'm going to use this red color. Then go to Files, place Embedded. Go to Select, then Subject. Add layer mask. Then convert to Smart Object. Then clip mask the subject layer above to an ellipse. Right click, then create clipping mask. Then go to the subject above, then change mode from normal to multiply. Group both ellipse and subject. Rename the grouped layer. Bring the renamed subject to the top of the text. Go to subject layer, then Ctrl J to duplicate. To the subject layer above, bring below the text layer and turn off a while. Then go to text, change the color from white to black or match to your background. Go to the subject above, then apply blending option. Then go to outer glow. Change outer glow match to an ellipse color. You may expand the size. According to your choice. If you finish, then press OK. Then go to the layer above the text, a subject composition. Then convert to Smart Object. Then right click and clip mask to the text. I hope you got a good result. Now group both text and subject composition. The name again. Go to the subject below the subject 1 or rename the subject. Then turn on and bring above the subject 1, I mean the renamed subject. Then right click and flip horizontal. Then go to change appearance of the subject from normal, black and white. Then we need to add a reflection of the red color to the edges of this above subject layer. To do so, go to adjustment layer, then fill a solid color, choose red to match with the background, then press OK. Clip mask to the subject layer. Then Ctrl I to invert. Go to brush, reduce opacity, and start brushing to the edge of your subject. Follow the process. If you are satisfied, then you go to create a new layer, then apply gradient to mask the design. Then group all and rename as subject 2. Now go to add a new layer, then go to adjustment layer, add a new fill, choose a gray color, then convert to a smart object, go to filter, then pixelate and color halftone. Follow this setting. Then if you are finished, go to text tool, now this is our design. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Now to let everyone know your thoughts, feel free to share your opinion in the comment below. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and share to your friends so that they can be inspired. Thank you very much. See you until next time.